Hey creative community, I am Mugsy and welcome to my channel, MugsyMakes. How are you all? Yay, I'm back. I've got working microphone, I've got working camera and computer, so here we go. We are going to work on some do-it-yourself rust and patina paste. I'm working on a project. I really like the patina paste like Finnabair will put out, but I just don't have the money to spend, so I will show you how to make some from home. This is what I end up making just from a piece of scrap cardboard. And although these are not technically rust and true patina paste colors, they're very close, you'll see. So what I ended up doing is using some sand I got at the dollar store. Go ahead and just rinse that before you use it, because I don't know what they wash it with or color it with or whatnot. The sand ended up being black, so it's just what I had on hand. And I went and used my mortar and pestle to grind up the sand a little bit finer. Here I'm just using some old paints that I have, and some of these are very old. Some of these are at least a decade old, you guys. So I'm in the theme of using things up, and went ahead and did that. You can use any colors, but the best colors for rust paste of the colors I'm making, you want a nice warm brown like a cocoa or just sienna. Burnt sienna is another good one for a color. And any of the ochres. The deeper the ochre, the better. And ochre is kind of a mustard yellow color. So you can find those in 80 paints. I'm just using really cheap craft paints here. Like I said, I'm just using it up. When I make the patina paste of the two other colors, I end up using the DecoArt Americana Satins, and they turned out really pretty. But just use what you have on hand. So I'm just using paint here, mixing it with the sand, and then you'll see me here in a little bit add some of the matte medium. So I used the matte medium in this first batch of the rust paste just to give it a little more structure and also the ability to adhere to your project. So the matte medium, the one I use here, the DecoArt Matte Medium Americana Premium, kind of fun to say, I use this to give it, you know, the structure it needed and, like I said, the ability to adhere. I just said that. Alright, so you'll notice that when I go and make the patina colors that I'm not using sand. First of all, I'm using sawdust, and I'm using sawdust from sanding, not just cutting, so it's pretty fine. And I always seem to make sure I have a little jar or can full of that whenever we do some sanding, because it comes in handy. So I use that as the base for these patinas here. Just really super fine sawdust, but I use the dimensional effects from DecoArt, and the reason why I use this one for the patinas is because this has a little bit more of a smoother texture because of the sawdust, and I wanted to keep that smoothness, and I didn't need the bulk of the medium. So you can use just about any type of medium, as long as it's kind of a sticky adhere. That's the puppies playing right now. Sorry for the background noise. They've been running around like crazy out in the snow all day, so they're in that really sleepy but still gonna play until they pass out sort of phase. Anyway, so with the patinas, I use the sawdust so it's a little bit more of a pasty feel to it, and I really like that. And in those colors, I use the turquoise waters and soft jade, I believe, in the Americana multi-surface satin from DecoArt. So any of those jade colors and turquoise colors, any of those will work. If you've got a couple, you can kind of mix and get your own perfect color that you like for your patina projects. That's puppies wrestling in the background. So here I just took a piece of scrap cardboard that came in a package, and I'm using the paste. The paste that we used with the sand is obviously more textured. It's a lot more grittier, and you notice a little bit will, you know, fall off here and there, but it adheres pretty well. And then here at the end of the project, I'll use a little bit more of the patina paste and give you guys a show on how that looks. Alright, you guys. Thanks for stopping by and checking this out. I hope you make your own paste. Let me know if you do something different. There's a ton of videos out here on YouTube of people making different types of paste and whatnot. So go ahead and give that a try. Make your own. See what you can do. But I really like these. I like the whole antique sort of rusting thing. I'm just trying to get a little bit more into that right now. So been doing tons of stuff, you guys. For the last month, I've been doing tea dyeing and coffee dyeing of all my fabrics and papers I'm going to use. Right now I must have tea dyed at least 1,000 pages. So, and now I'm sewing some journal covers and stuff together with some of these antique cloths. So don't worry, they're just playing. I know it sounds like they're just eating each other, doesn't it? Hey, come here, guys. Do you want to say hi? Oh, you want to say hi? Yeah. Well, don't bark because you'll scare everybody. Alright, you guys, I've got a cat chewing on my microphone and a puppy dog looking like she wants to go out and play, so I love all your faces. Keep creating for the greater good. Catch me up in the comments. Let me know what everybody's been up to. What have you guys been doing? I did the giveaway and sent all those out. I think I've heard from almost everyone, so if you haven't said, hey, I've gotten my package, go ahead and let me know in that video comments, and I will see you guys around. And you know what I'm going to say. Keep creating for the greater good. I love your faces. Bye.
We could ride the light waves together, ignore all the sound waves. How do we get so brave? How do we get so brave? And we could ride the tidal waves together, escaping all the gamma rays. Tell me, how do we get so brave? Boy, I want you. Boy, I need you. I go, I go, I go, I go, I go higher. Lately, I know that I've been missing. Am I been tripping over wires I lay to save me? But I'm foolish. Tried so hard not to screw this. Never thought that it was okay just to say I needed you. Now here I stand, all that I am, and I am all the things I said I'd be. Oh, because of you, I'm whole again. Sometimes you just gotta turn the light on. Now I found the way. Now I found the way. Now I found the Never once did you presume I couldn't do this. You're the one who made me try. Didn't hold my hand, but always by my side. You're my constant in a world that's so demanding. Head in the sky, but now I'm landing. Oh, I never could just choose the path of least resistance. Now here I stand, all that I am, and I am all the things I said I'd be. Oh, because of you, I'm whole again. Sometimes you just gotta turn the light on. Now I found the way.
Alright, you guys, hope you guys are having a good week, and I just wanted to say I love your faces. Thanks for being here and supporting my channel, and yeah, like it if you like it, share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Like I said, I'm doing some coffee and tea dyeing. I've also been working on a few other projects, one being some painted furniture, some nice turquoise colors and chalk paint, so I have those up and ready to edit here soon. So enjoy. I'm glad to be back. I'm glad you guys are still here, and I'm gonna tell you that I love you one more time, because I do. Love your faces. Bye.